Unlock the potential of your business with Stripe, the payment platform that makes transactions effortlessly. Whether you are selling products, services, or subscriptions, Stripe empowers you to accept payments from around the globe. Imagine a world where you can focus on your patient while Stripe handles the heavy lifting of payment processing. Setting up your account is quick and easy, giving you the freedom to turn your ideas into revenue. Don't wait, let's get started and watch your business thrive. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create Stripe account. First of all I have to do is open your web browser and dive into stripe.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Stripe? Stripe is a technology company that provides a suite of payment processing tools and services for online businesses. It enables companies to accept payments over the internet, manage subscriptions, handle fraud prevention, and facilitate various financial transactions. Although a user-friendly interface and robust APIs designed for developers and businesses of all sizes. Stripe aims to simplify the complexities of online payments and help businesses grow. So to get started, you have just to click over sign in, and then you'll find another page which is like that. But you have just to click over sign up or create your Stripe account. You have just to write your email address and your full name, your country, and your password. Then you click over here, and then you create accounts. Here we have in the Stripe, get started quickly, integrate with developer-friendly APIs or choose low-code or pre-built solutions. Then we have here support any business model, e-commerce, subscriptions, SaaS platforms, marketplaces, and more, all within a unified platform. Then we have here join millions of businesses. Stripe is trusted by ambitious startups and enterprises of every size. Once you click over that, you will find this page, but you have firstly to open your Gmail and you verify it like that. Once you verify your email address, you will find the home page here, as you can see. So first of all, after I will show you the options that we have here, I will just show you how you can continue activating payments. Step 1, we have tell us more about your business. To get started, you click over here and you will find this page. I have just to link this information. Here we have, let's start with some basics. Choose your location and businesses type to get started. You choose here business location, type of business, and we have, if you have file paperwork to register as a business entity, then your business type is likely to be individual. Not sure which option to select, refer to this support article. Then you click over continue, then you'll find this personal details. If you have verify your personal details, this information is collected to verify your identity and keep your account safe and help meet legal and regulatory requirements. For more information, consult the privacy policy. Then you write your legal first name, legal last name, then email address, then you have date of birth, like here we have the day, the month, and the year. Here we have also home address. You have to write United States or other things that you already chose on the business type. And you write your street address, your apartment, your city, your state, and your zip code. Then you write your phone number, and you will send last 4 digits of social security number. Then you click over continue. Then we have here business details. You have here tell us about your business. This information is collected to better understand and serve your business. Here we have industry. Selecting your industry helps satisfy risk and compliance obligations. Select the option that best matches the goods or service your customers will buy. You have to write your business website, product description. We have provided 1-2 sentence description. Make sure to note when you typically charge your customers. Then we have here, this helps us better understand your business. Then you click over continue and you'll follow the last one, which is public details. Here we have a short summary. If you come back, we have add public details for customers. This information may be visible in payment statements, invoices, and receipts. You have statement descriptor. You have shortened description. Then we have also a customer support phone number, and we have here customer support address, like we have United States, street address, apartment, city, state, and then we have the zip code, and you right click over continue. Then we have here add your bank, select an account for paying payouts, and we have secure your account. Keep your account secure. You have just here to use an authenticator app or add a security key. Then we have here add extras, automate tax collection on your sales. Here you select your product category. There, as you can see, if you want the physical here, and you just select the one you want. Then you click over continue. Then we have here claimate contributions, also show customers your commitments. Then we have the last one, which is review and finish. You have your review and submit. You have just to edit the things if you did a mistake, and you have just to modify it, and then you click over agree and submit. So this is how it works, and then you will find this page. Here we have get started with Stripe. I will show you how you can get started. After sign up for your Stripe account, the first step is to verify your email by clicking the confirmation link sent to inbox. Next, log into the dashboard and complete your profile by adding your business information, including your bank account details for payouts. Then configure your preferred payment methods to decide how you want to accept payments from customers. Integrate Stripe with your website or app using the provided APIs or plugin. And test your setup in test mode to ensure everything functions properly. Finally, switch to live mode to start accepting real payments and monitor your transactions through the dashboard for ongoing insights. So this is how you can get started. Also, here we have balances. For example, if you want to add bank account, and we have transactions here you can just click over create payments. If you choose between invoice, payment link, subscription, and we have manual payment, and we have customers also. If you want to add customer here, you have name, account email, and then you have description. Then you click over add customer. Then we have also a product catalog. The products, you have other things like features, coupons, shipping rates, tax rates, pricing. You have a payments, billing, reporting, and we have more. If you want to add products, also here product catalog, just click over here and you add a product, the name, your description, and unit quantity also, and then you upload here. You have requirement here, and we have amount, monthly, and you can just click over add product, and then you get started. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.